In this video, I will show you how to open a protected PDF file. You should receive an email from the publisher containing details of how to download the software and containing the license that you will need to view protected documents. So first, open your email client and check for emails. Here we have one viewing ABC's documents, and in it it says install the Locklizard viewer. Select the operating system below and follow the instructions on that page. So we're going to select Windows. It's taken off to a link on the Locklizard site where the latest version of the software is available. We have the option of downloading an executable version or a zip version. We will download the executable. Click on Download. The file will download to your PC. Once the file is downloaded, click on the folder, and here is the file for Safeguard Viewer software. If we right-click on the file and select Run as Administrator, the install program will open, ready to install the software. Okay, when we're ready to start, click Next. So license agreement, click to accept it, then Next. 3 types of install, typical, complete, and custom. We'll just use the typical. Then shows you details of where the software is going to be installed to. Click Install. Finishing up. And finally we get a message saying installation has finished. Do we wish to view the product manual? No, we don't at this stage. And then click Finish. Okay, that's the viewer software installed. Okay, so we'll close the windows down. Go back to the email. Slightly further down it says activate your license. Once the viewer is installed, which it now is, click on the link below to activate your license. So we'll click on the Colin Jones. Again, the file is downloaded. In this case, we're just going to click Open File. Message appears saying registering license, and then it says registration successful. You have now successfully activated your license and can now access documents protected by ABC Limited. Click OK. Again, close the window. We will now confirm the installation by opening a secure document. So again, in the email client, we have an email here with a secure document attached. So we just copy that document onto the desktop in this case, and then double click on it. Safeguard Secure Viewer opens and loads the document. There we are. So we've downloaded the software, we've activated the license, and we've proved it by being able to read a protected document. Okay, that's all there is to it. So when we're finished with that, close the viewer and close the email client.